We are now here in Gatineau Park, just out for a quick hike. It's a nice day today, so we thought we'd go for a hike. And since we were in Ottawa, Gatineau is a great place to go hiking. So we'll show you some things along the way. Hey, Kat.
Hey.
All right, see you guys later. So, sorry for the interruption there. I just thought I would take a quick moment here to tell you a little bit more about the park itself. So, Gatineau Park is a simply outstanding and very accessible park that is located only 4 kilometers, which is about 2.5 miles from downtown Ottawa. Now, Ottawa is our nation's capital. I know a lot of people outside Canada feel that Toronto is the capital of Canada, but it is actually Ottawa. Gatineau Park encompasses approximately 361 square kilometers. That works out to about 139 square miles. Within the park itself, there are lakes, there are beaches, there are picnic areas and campgrounds, and of course there are miles and miles of trails. So there are actually 165 kilometers, which is about 103 miles of hiking trails. In addition, there's about 90 kilometers or about 56 miles of mountain biking trails. So, the park itself is simply a wonderful place to visit. I would highly recommend it if you're ever in the Ottawa area. The park is truly a 4-season playground in that you can go in the winter time. There's cross-country skiing. The fall leaves are just a wonderful sight to see. And of course, both in the spring and summer as well, there's plenty to do. So just thought I'd tell you a little bit about the park there, and now back to our regular scheduled programming.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I